I am stuck. The vine is tight. This is my Amazon adventure.
I arrived in Brazil. Gateway to Amazon. So hot. 35 degrees Celsius here.
5 days jungle tour. I learned survival.
Up the river. Adventure starts now. Pink dolphin. Only in Amazon.
Deep jungle now. River so narrow. Our camp. Sleep in hammocks tonight. Llegamos. Close the net. Many bugs at night. Night comes fast. So very dark. Simple food, but I am hungry. Good morning, jungle. Birds singing. Insect spray on. Protection important. Thick jungle. Guide cuts the path.
This tree is enormous, hundreds years old.
Yes, it is central to the entire ecosystem here.
Careful, don't touch it. It's toxic.
Poison dart frog. Beautiful but dangerous. Be careful. This log is slippery.
This vine, the ayahuasca, we use for healing deep inside.
Indigenous people know many plants.
Important.
Look at army ants. Thousands together.
Never stand in their path. They bite aggressively.
So hot and thirsty. Howler monkeys so loud. Sound echoes.
Anaconda.
Stay still and stay back. Big spider. I am scared, but... Photo.
Muito bem. Puxe.
I caught a fish. My first piranha.
Wow! Fast water! That was exciting.
Long day. I am so tired but happy. Wash the dirt away. Water feels good. So many stars. The jungle is beautiful. Day 3. Going deeper into jungle. Perfect shot. Beautiful macaw colors. Small things are beautiful too. Amazing. So hot. Need water and shade now.
You're pushing it. Careful of heat stroke.
I know. Just give me a second. Wait, where is the guide now? Hello? Guide? Guide, where are you? I cannot see. Stay calm. Get back slowly. I can do this. I am stuck. The vine is tight. Free. I am free. My ankle hurts. Here. I am here. Can you hear me? Emma. Graças a Deus. Are you hurt badly? Let me see. So happy to see you. I was scared.
Só mais pouco. Estamos quase lá.
Thank you helping me. Ankle hurts, but okay. Safe at camp. I need to rest now.
Today was scary, but I learned much. The jungle is my teacher. Respect nature.
Good morning. Ankle feels a bit better.
Camp life is beautiful too. Photos everywhere.
River water feels so good and clean.
The forest provides everything if we only listen to the spirits. We must respect the jungle. It is our home.
Your stories teach me. Thank you, friend. Goodbye, camp. Thank you for shelter here.
Goodbye, Amazon. I will remember you always.
Thank you for everything. You saved my life.
Adeus. Boa sorte.
City feels so strange now after the jungle. Hot water. Best feeling in the world.
These photos tell my Amazon survival story.
I survived the Amazon! I am okay, I promise.
This meal tastes amazing. I am grateful.
Packing up. Time to leave Brazil now.
Jungle adventure. I survived. Goodbye, Manaus. Thank you for the adventure.
What exactly are these dried plants and carvings?
These are Amazon souvenirs, all legal gifts, real jungle survival experience.
Photos ready. My Amazon story goes out. Thank you, Amazon. You taught me strength. Bem-vinda a bordo. Every adventure teaches something. Amazon taught strength.
Rough trip?
Amazon rainforest survival, worth every scratch. Home. I survived the Amazon rainforest.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I survived. I'm home. I missed you so much.
Home is beautiful. I never forget that now. These things tell my survival story forever.
My Amazon survival story goes to the world.
Yes!
Amazon done. Where next? Africa? Arctic? Adventure calls. Amazon taught me survival. Africa, I am ready.